Hello everybody, welcome back to our class. So today we are here to discuss a new lesson. Let us look into it. Okay, take page number 54. Raja ka darwaza. What do you mean by darwaza? Yeah, it's a door. So Raja means king. So the door of the king. Let us see what kind of door it is. Yes. So look into page number 54. Ekta Raja. There was a Raja. There was a king. उसने चाहा कि उसके महल में एक ऐसा दरवाजा हो जिससे सिर्फ वही घुस पाए, कोई और नहीं. See what a kind of king is. He wanted a door in which only he can enter, then nobody else. What a wicked thinking, right? Will anybody think like that? No. So, let us see what happened to this king. उसने अपने मंत्री से कहा. So, मंत्री is the minister in the court of the king. So, the king said to his minister, what? मुझे एक ऐसा दरवाजा बंद कर दो जो मेरी ही शक्ल देखने पर खुले. So what did he say? He asked this minister. Shakl means appearance. So he asked this minister to make a door, to create a door which opens when it sees my appearance only, then nothing else. So what happened here? Kule means to open. ताकि उसे सिर्फ मैं ही घुस पाऊँ. So inside that, if the door is open, it should see my appearance and only it should open. Then it should not be open in the other way. So how will we open the door? By locking the door. By unlocking the door, we open the door. Right? But the king here wants to open the door before his appearance itself. So clear with it? See, there is a question there. राजा ने शक्ल देखने पर खुलाने वाले दरवाजा बनने का निर्णय क्यों लिया होगा? So, why did he decide so? Why did the king decide that he wants a door which will be opened only by looking at his appearance? Why did he think so? क्योंकि अनमोल था, बहुत बड़ा अनमोल था राजा की कमरे में. राजा की कमरे में बहुत बड़ा अनमोल था. That means there are precious things inside there. Okay. इसीलिए राजा को इस तरह सोचने लगा. So the king wanted only he can, his appearance should open the door. So clear? Let us move on to next page. That is page number 55. Look at it. मंत्री ने एक ऐसा ही दरवाजा बनाया. So the minister obeyed the order of the king and he made him such kind of door. तब राजा ने सबको बुलाकर कहा, है कोई जो घुस सकता है इस दरवाजे से? So the king became more curious to know whether anybody can enter rather than me. So he wanted to test it. So he asked the other subjects. What did he ask the subjects? Can anybody rather than me? So what might have been happened there? एक आदमी आया. There came a man. उसके हाथ में राजा की तस्वीर थी. So what happened? The king was fooled. How was the king fooled? So there came a man and there was a picture of the king with him. There was a tasveer means picture. Picture of the king. तस्वीर में राजा की शक्ल देखकर दरवाजा खुल गया. So in the photo, in the picture, the door saw the appearance of the king. So what happened? Suddenly the door opened. राजा गुस्से में वाला, बाल खींचता रह गया. So what happened? King became angry and started pulling his hair. When we are angry, sometimes we start pulling our hair, or we will go and pinch others, or we will like to bite others, or we will beat others to show our anger. So what did the king do here? He started pulling his hairs. Then what happened? राजा ने मंत्री से कहा. So राजा said to the मंत्री, minister, मुझे एक ऐसा दरवाजा बंद कर दो जो सिर्फ मेरी ही आवाज से खुले. So what happened? So the king asked the minister. The first attempt was failed. That what was the first attempt? Only the door should be opened before the appearance of the king. And king was also angry with that. And the second idea came to the king. What was that idea? The door should open only if it hears my sound. Then what happened? मुझे एक ऐसा दरवाजा बंद कर दो जो सिर्फ मेरी ही आवाज से खुले. मंत्री ने ऐसा दरवाजा बनवाया. So the minister made him a door like that. Prepared him a door like that. राजा ने फिर सबको बुलाकर पूछा. The king again called everybody and asked, है कोई जो घुस सकता है इस दरवाजे से? Is there anybody who can enter into this door? So वही आदमी आया. So the same man came forward who first fooled the king. फिर कहा and said, अगर मैं इस दरवाजे से नहीं घुस सकता तो राजा भी नहीं घुस सकता है. What did he say? If I can't enter inside the door by opening inside the room, if I can't enter inside the room, you cannot also open the door and enter inside the room. So what did happen? Let us see. वह आदमी आया और ठंडे पानी से राजा का गला खराब हो गया. What happened? वह आदमी आया, उसने राजा को बहुत ठंडा पानी पिलाया. So the same man came forward and gave the king lot of ठंडा means cold water. Lot of cold water. So the king drank it. फिर कहा, अगर मैं इस दरवाजे से नहीं घुस सकता तो राजा भी नहीं घुस सकता. And he said, if I can't enter here, you also can't enter here. Why? Because you have drank lot of cold water and you have caught cold and you can't say in your original voice. See what a clever man he is. Then later what happened? ठंडे पानी से राजा का गला खराब हो गया. See, and while drinking this cold water, Raja had throat infection. King had throat infection. उसकी आवाज ही नहीं निकली. So he cannot open his mouth. His sound did not come out. राजा भी दरवाजे से अंदर नहीं जा पाया. So the king also could not go inside. वह गुस्से से कूदता रह गया. So he started jumping with anger. गुस्से से कूदते means jumping with anger. Then what happened? फिर राजा ने ऐसा दरवाजा बनवाया जो सिर्फ उसके जूतों की आहट से ही खुले. So the king thought of another plan. What was the plan? The plan was that the door should be opened when it hears the boot sound of the king. So when the king comes, the boot sound heard, if the boot sound of the king is heard, then only the door should be opened. So the king came within this idea. लेकिन उस आदमी ने जमीन पर कालीन बिछा दिया. So what did he do? The man, zameen means in the land. Kaleen means carpet. So the person, what did that man do? He laid a big carpet in the floor. और what happened? जिससे जूते की आहट ही नहीं हुई. So the sound of the shoe never came. So did the door open now also? No, the door didn't open. The man was very clever. राजा ने मंत्री से कहा, मुझे एक ऐसा दरवाजा बंद कर दो जो सिर्फ मेरे ही शरीर की गंध से खुले. So again the king wanted a door which should be opened by the smell of his body. So if the king's body smell is there, the door will be opened. So there is a question, one more question. यदि राजा ठंडा पानी ना पीता तो क्या होता? What might have been happened if the king had not drunk the cold water? दरवाजा खुल सकता था, right? So the door will be opened. Okay. Now look into next paragraph. लेकिन इस बार फिर वही आदमी आया और राजा के पहने हुए कुछ कपड़े हाथ में उठाकर दरवाजे के पास ले गया तो दरवाजा खुल गया. So what happened? Again the same man came forward by having some clothes in his hand. In the man's hand, whose clothes? That's the king's clothes. And when it went near to the door opened automatically because the king's smell is there in the dress of the king also. फिर आगे क्या हुआ? Again and again same competition was held. उन दोनों का मुकाबला न जाने कब तक चलता रहा. So we don't know for how many times they started competition like this. मुझे तो यही तक की घटनाओं का पता था. But I know only the incident up to this. आगे के बारे में तो अब तुम्हें ही सोचकर बताना होगा. तो बताओ फिर आगे क्या क्या हुआ? So here is a task for you. So later what all happened that you should have to discuss. So that was the small story over here and the story is over here. So it is your duty. So the last in the story, there is a question mark in the end. So it's your duty to say what all happened next. So you should try to say what all happened next. And I am also sure that you will do so. Okay then. Now I am winding my class here. Thank you.